everybody, welcome to my special spooky story time. Now this morning I'm going to be reading you my favourite story, and it is called The Little Old Lady Who Wasn't Afraid of Anything. Has anybody heard that story before? No, wow, be a first for us all. Now firstly, there are some actions in this story, so I'm going to need your help. Will you help me, boys and girls? So, the first action is clomp clomp, and we're going to stamp our feet. Ready? Clomp clomp. Clomp clomp. Very good. And then the next action is wiggle wiggle. We're going to wiggle our buttons, wiggle our legs. Wiggle wiggle. Good job. And then the next action is shake shake, and we're going to shake our top half. Shake those arms, shake those arms. Good job. And then we've got clap clap. And a nod nod. Well done! Amazing, boys and girls. So, are we ready for the story? Yeah! Fabulous! Right, let's all get sat down nice and comfortable. Are you all comfortable, boys and girls? Yeah! Perfect. Right, there we go. Let's get started. So, once upon a time, there was a little old lady who wasn't afraid of anything. One windy evening, the little old lady was on her way home from a walk in the forest. I think she was searching for some seeds for her gorgeous garden, and then all of a sudden, on her path, she stopped. Right in the middle, there were two big shoes, and the two big shoes went clomp clomp. Yeah, clomping, guys. The little old lady looked at the shoes and she said, "Get out of my way, you silly old shoes! I am not afraid of you." So, with that, she continued down her path, but she could still hear those two shoes going clomp clomp. A little farther on, the little old lady stumbled into a pair of trousers, and the trousers went wiggle wiggle. And the little old lady looked at the trousers and she said, "Get out of my way, you pair of old trousers! I am not afraid of you!" On she walked, but behind her, she could still hear those two shoes going clomp clomp, and those pair of trousers going wiggle wiggle. Goodness. Further still, the little old lady bumped into a shirt, and the shirt went shake shake. Yes, we're shaking. The little old lady looked at the shirt and she said, "Get out of my way, you silly old shirt! I am not afraid of you." Can you help me, boys and girls? Ready, say, "I am not afraid of you." Good job. On she walked, a little bit faster this time, but she could still hear behind her those two shoes going clomp clomp, the pair of trousers going wiggle wiggle, and that silly old shirt going shake shake. Ooh. A little way on, the little old lady came upon two white gloves and a big tall black hat, and the gloves went clap clap, and the hat went nod nod. The little old lady looked and she said, "Get out of my way, I am not afraid of you." Oh goodness. On she walked quite fast now, but behind her she could still hear those two shoes going clomp clomp, the pair of trousers going wiggle wiggle, the silly shirt going shake shake, those white gloves going clap clap, and the tall black hat going nod nod. Oh my goodness. She was almost home, and she's going even faster this time, and she stopped. Suddenly something large appeared in the road. A very big, a very giant, orange, big pumpkin head! And the pumpkin head said, "Boo!" Oh my goodness, she started to run. She ran all the way home as fast as she could. She did not catch her breath until she was sat down, sat by the fire, warming up and rocking in her rocking chair. Oh goodness, it was very scary catching her breath. And all of a sudden, there was a knock, knock, knock at the door. Oh goodness, who do you think was at the door, boys and girls? Who do you think? What do you think? Who's there? Oh, wow. Do you think she should answer it, boys and girls?
Yeah!
got up and she opened the door. And what do you think she saw? I'll tell you, she saw 2 shoes, a pair of trousers, a silly shirt, 2 white gloves, and a big tall hat, and a big giant orange pumpkin head that said, "Boo!" The little old lady looked at them very grumpy and she said, "What is it that you want? I am not afraid of you." The pumpkin head turned to her and said, "We've come to scare you." She didn't look very happy. She said, "You can't scare me because I'm not afraid of anything." The pumpkin head suddenly looked very sad. So maybe started to feel very sorry for you. "I have an idea," she said. She whispered into his ear. And then off she went. She was very happy. She shut the door, said good night, and went off to bed. And then in the morning she woke up extra early just so that she could go straight to her window, look out into her garden to see what was scaring the crows away. What do you think she saw, boys and girls? What did she see out in the garden scaring the crows away? What do you think? I'll tell you. She saw 2 shoes going clop clop, a pair of trousers going wiggle wiggle, a silly shirt going shake shake, 2 white gloves going clap clap, a big black hat going nod nod, and a very scary big orange pumpkin head that went boo! There's pickles! Oh my goodness, why didn't you warn me, boys and girls? My goodness, pickles are so scary! Unlike the little old lady who is afraid of everything, who isn't afraid of anything, I am afraid. I'm a bit of a scaredy cat. I mean wolf. I'm a wolf, I'm a wolf. Oh, hello, Pickles. Hello, everybody put one hand in the air and say hi, Pickles. Oh, hello, Pickles. Oh, that gives me a great idea, you know, Pickles. I think we should get Pickles to pick his favourite story for us to read. How does that sound, boys and girls? No? Oh, I think Pickles would like to read us a story, wouldn't you? Would you like to go find it out for us? Let's see which one he picks, boys and girls. Come on, Pickles, where is it? There it is! 10 spooky skeletons! Has anybody read that spooky story before? No? Oh, well, it's going to be a first for me too because I have never read this one. You know, Pickles, you might have to hold it up for me. I've got to hold this microphone. Oh dear, there you go, and you can show all the boys and girls I've got the pictures too. Right, are we ready for 10 spooky skeletons? Oh yeah, here we go. One lonely skeleton looking for some friends. Let's follow him to see where this scary journey ends. Oh, am I going to have to, oh goodness, I'm going to have to turn all these pages, aren't I? Alright, there we go. You got it. There we go. 2 pirate skeletons. Everybody say arr! Ah, good. So 2 pirate skeletons sail the midnight sea, looking through their telescopes for skeleton number 3. Ooh, let's have a look. There we go. 3 circus skeletons pitching on a show. They spotted together and off they go. Ooh, what's next, Pickles? There we go. 4 busy skeletons spot a crystal ball. But who made that spooky sound? Did another skeleton call? Ooh, let's find out, shall we? Oh, you're getting excited, aren't you? 5 clever skeletons doing magic tricks. Have you got a magic trick, Pickles? Oh, you do it in your show though, don't you? Oh, we'll have to see it later, won't we? Skipping off to search for skeleton number 6. Super exciting. Next page. Ooh, 6 astro skeletons in a time machine. Oh, I'd love to go back in time, wouldn't you? Pickles? Oh, where are they going? And where have they been? Ooh, let's find out, shall we? Oh, 7 ice skeletons learn how to skate. Let's all learn how to skate. Ooh. Let's not step over though, hey. They're all on the lookout for skeleton number 8. Where are those there, Pickles? 8 hungry skeletons. Let's all be super hungry and grab your tummy and go, yummy. They're sitting down to dine. Oh, looks lovely. Do you think they have spotted skeleton number 9? Let's find out, shall we? Next page. 9 sleepy skeletons. Oh, in their treetop den. Perhaps they will dream of scaling number 10. Shall we see if they found them all? 10 merry skeletons! Oh, sing and dance and play as they came to the end of a bone-shaking day. One silly skeleton switches off the light. Is everybody ready for a super spooky fright? Yay, Pickles, that was the best story. You're not scared, are you? Silly Pickles. Wow, that brings us to the end of our spooky story time.